Hi there. Let's take a look at how to crop an image. When you crop an image, that just means take a chunk out of it. And Photoshop has a specific tool for that. It's called the crop tool. You'll find it over here in the toolbar. If for some reason you can't see this little crop mark here, come down to the edit toolbar, the ellipses, press and click on that, and then just scroll down until you can find it. Okay? All right, so I'm going to click on my crop tool. Now, my crop tool has some different options on it. There's lots and lots and lots. There's a ratio, there's a width height resolution, there's square, there's a 4:5 ratio, there's a 5:7 ratio. Notice that those are photo sizes that are really common to get. Like those images you got from the high school Life Touch portraits. They were 4:5s or 8:10s, that kind of thing. That's what those are. Okay. There's a 16:9. 16:9 is a very common video setting. So I am going to do a square. So I just clicked on it and there it is. So it's just going to automatically resize this as a square, a perfect square, just like that. Just click and drag a corner. Now you can also click on the image and drag that to a new spot, wherever you want it to be. Okay, once you're happy with that, simply click the check mark and you'll have your new square image. All right, now I'm going to hit Command Z or Control Z on a PC to undo. And what happens if you want to do something different? You come up here to the top toolbar and you click on Clear. All right. Now I'm going to click on this again and you'll notice that I've got a lot more flexibility now. Okay, I can move this guy all over the place in any fashion that I choose. Once you're happy, simply click on the check mark and there is your brand new image. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing how to crop an image in Photoshop. I will see you guys in the next video.